Hello everyone, welcome back for Speaking English for every single day. I have a confession to make. I've been out of my comfortable zone. I've been practicing my English every single day through along of my day. I do discipline about learning English. Doing discipline, learn English actually is kind of my thing. To keep myself up about my English. To level up the skill of myself. I try with all the costs. I try to spend money, a lot of money, for having conversation with native speaker from many tools I use. I don't even play with myself. I don't even proclaim waste time kidding or to be I don't know. I try with all costs. I try to prevent myself from negative thinking. I don't scare away of anything could crack me down while I practicing my English outside. Yeah, I try. I don't shy away while I don't shy away while my weakness is shy. I'm an introvert. I used to talk. I used to talk just like core of the story. I'm not even talking very much in my friends group. I try hard actually. And as so far, disciplines also really matter for me. I try stay awake to be able to organize every I be put, every I've create, every I've edit, every I've read, every I've written. I try keep it up with all of distraction that come up. I try to stay away. I try to stay off with all of distraction, but I don't even know what makes me so much get distracted with all the item surrounding me. I already write down motivation. I've already write down schedule. I've really write down the thing that I wouldn't touch all of my day. But it wouldn't go any further from the failure. Yeah, I still fail on organizing my time, organizing the disciplines, and I used to tell to myself that I would go no matter what, no matter cost, no matter any firsters, I would step away. Yeah, but today I still here still stand with the disciplines. Even though everything uh, even though everything turned their back to me, but I try to turn my back to them. That's how I overcome. That's how I deal with the issue. I think that's for all today, guys. I really appreciate while you enjoy or you really hate my opinion about this. I don't know even what the meaning of story I've just created. Thank you so much, guys.